Today we'll talk about how can you find groups on your Plato app, how can you find your group. So we go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here in this side down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. So then all you have to do now, just click here on groups. Then you come to this list here. Then here you will find all groups you have. So then here I have nothing in this list. But if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your Plato app. So that's all you have to do to find your group. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.